You know, it's a 1984 Wonder Lodge. My wife's over here running her mouth in the background. One, two, three, four air conditioners.
Okay.
37 feet long.
I'm proud of you.
Air steps.
That's wonderful.
Air ride. 22.5 tires, all brand new.
I should have gotten the medical, but I didn't.
She's got a couple chips in the
I
paint.
should have gotten medical, but I didn't.
Get a little closer so you can see them. All right.
Proud of you. No, washing it. Thank you. All right. Apartment away from home. I know that's right. Good. All right. Good when it's all cleaned up. It'll be so bad. But I'm saying don't look at it as
It's got a lot of storage downstairs. All the tires are new. As you can see, it's got a little chipping on the driver's side in the paint. But it is what it is, you know? Chips right here on the back panel. Fading on the top panel. The paint's not that great, but it ain't that bad for the age. The upper camera doesn't work. You'll have to have that repaired. Like it's registered until 12/16. The air slide for the generator operates correctly. Let's walk inside. I'll start it up. Okay. Okay. Everything functions the way it should. It's got the altimeter, cassette player, CD, auxiliary control systems, upper controls, generator controls. And on the other side is all the output control systems for the generator banks. Okay. I know you'd probably like to see the engine, so let's go ahead and show that to you right now. Bear with me a second. Just bear with me. Belts, hoses, filters. No leaks. Everything functions correctly. Doesn't really burn any oil. I put about 5,000–6,000 miles on it, and I put 2 quarts in it, not even a gallon, maybe a half a gallon. We've driven quite a few miles. Once you close the house, it gets real quiet up here. You can hardly hear the motor. And it's about the same way when you're running down the highway. Real quiet. Okay. All right. So here's the control panels. Air tilt. Airbag assembly. Dump. Air slide for your seats. Air lock. Air steering. Power over. Auxiliary control banks for all the air conditioners and the command control system. It's got a flat screen liquid TV with a DVD player and a descrambler in the living room. Auto gyro TV antenna. All the components and the crossovers and everything function. TV antenna, motors, all of it work. All the chassis heat, LP furnace, all the conversions. Control system for the kitchen. The blender operates, pumps, confection oven, carousel. Very nice, works great. Oven, stove, doorbell, telephone, bedroom, closet space for days. Yes, telephones, floor heaters, 3 floor heaters. Plus got the furnace, upper speakers, all overhead compartment systems. Oop, there we go. That TV in back here. Control systems for the doors and the alarm system when you're asleep, and all the lights outside are in the back. TV controls, lighting systems. Icebox works fine. Really good, nothing wrong with it. Air conditioners, they work good. All right, let's step outside. It doesn't have any leaks. Inside couch, cabinet system, storage, upper air conditioners work. Step into the bathroom. Awesome shower. Yes, indeed. It's got a door out of a telephone booth. Check it out. Yeah. Boom. All right. Old school shit. Yeah. All new plumbing. I put it all in. Operating toilet. Everything functions. Upper controls. Lights. Motors. Vents. Lights for that. Full length mirrors. Yep. Another one out here. Just in case you want to look at yourself a whole bunch. Upper cabinets here, and the back, and the kitchen, and down here in the kitchen, underneath the seat. There's a little hole right here.